Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A6 Pro and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find About Device. Then we have to localize a special number which is called build number, and let me first of all pick the version. We do not have the build number here, but sometimes in the devices it is called version number. So here we've got it at the top, and let's keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode. If you've got any kind of screen lock, and then you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step. And here we've got the information. So now we can go back to the general list of the settings, and here go to System and Update. Now let's tap on developer options here. And as you can see here, we've got plenty of advanced settings. This list is really long. And basically, I just wanted to show you that here we've got two different types of options. Obviously, all of them are just like in the regular options, in the regular settings. So you can turn on the option just by tapping on the switcher, and it will be immediately applied. Or you can simply tap on the option to open more options to choose from, and this is how it works. If you wish to turn off developer options, just go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher at the top, and as you can see, the developer options will disappear, not only from the list but also from the System and Update. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step or version number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.